Welcome to 921 1751st Road, a breathtaking estate located in Bates City, Missouri. When you step inside this 4-bedroom, 5-bathroom masterpiece, natural light floods the open floor plan through its array of windows throughout. This magnificent 5,629 square foot home is nestled on 3 wooded acres with exclusive access to the 13-acre lake. The gourmet kitchen features professional-grade appliances, a walk-in pantry, and an oversized island that's perfect for both everyday living and elegant entertaining. Just 5 miles from Powell Gardens and a short 20-minute drive to Lake Lotawana, this extraordinary estate offers more than just a home. It provides a lifestyle of unparalleled elegance and serenity.